Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a Vornado Zippi, and it's a fan, and you can tell, like, the fan blades look kind of droopy, but they're actually like a soft material. And what happens is when you turn this fan on, the blades kind of like spin around, and like I said, you don't have to worry about, you know, obviously any problems with you hitting it. But I figure it would be a perfect little companion to my my step mill here. So when I'm working out, I can have some cool air, keep me dry, or drier rather, and being able to stay cool while I'm exercising. So I thought that was like a really cool idea. And again, I love the fact that it doesn't have like that frame to it that's going to collect dust, get dirty. And this way it is basically, it's nice and clean looking, practically invisible when it's running, and it gives you just the right amount of air. So if you're on a stepper or a bike or whatever you are doing, that it will keep you cool and dry, or should I say cooler and drier. I don't know if it's going to keep you completely dry, but anyway, a good piece of equipment for your fitness regimen, or your desk, or your bedside, or wherever you need a little extra cooling. But again, very cool. And like I said, I love these little blades and the absolute power that they put out. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and I'm a fan of the Vornado. Be safe out there.